Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaking windshield quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get started.
What we're dealing with is a leaking windshield, and you can see here on this side, on the driver's side, get a shot here, you can see the seal is curling up a little bit, but not too bad. But if we go here onto the other side where the customer is having the leaking issue, you'll see the difference. All right, here you can see it curling up real bad in there. See if I can get a better shot of it. You can see the seal is curling up, so what's happening is that water then is rolling in there, getting behind that crack, and then coming down the pillar, and then leaking into the inside floor of the vehicle. There's a better shot there. You can see it lifting. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and seal that gap to prevent moisture from going in. All right, what I'm going to use is this black silicone sealant. I use this a lot of times when putting on gaskets, oil pans, transmission oil pans, things like that. So we're just going to use it just to seal along that gap to prevent moisture from coming in around the windshield. So let's go ahead and prep that area so we can apply this and get that leak ended. And just to play it safe, I'm going to seal both sides. What I'm going to use is just a good cleaner, spray cleaner. Go ahead and spray it real good in there. We get a good bond. I'm going to spray both sides. We'll wipe it down real good. Now let's wipe it off. Get all the dirt out of there so we get a good bond with the silicone sealant. Make sure you really get down in there where the silicone is going to be going in. Clean any dirt and debris. There we go. That way we get a nice clean bond. You can see in there. It's all nice and cleaned out. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to apply the black silicone seal. You want it to really fill that gap. Just take your time coming around. Okay. Want to make sure that's sealed. Now we're going to take just a little stick, like a popsicle type stick, and just smooth it out. Okay, and just spread it out. You're just filling that gap so that the water doesn't go in there anymore. Want it nice and clean. And what I'm going to do is just kind of fill this little gap here too, just in case. Okay, and then we'll go with this side here. Just clean it, and then we'll go over it again with the paper towel and just wipe off any excess. Alright, so we're pretty much done. We went ahead and cleaned it up, smoothed it all out. You can see it looks pretty sealed. So now we're just going to let it dry, and that should take care of our issue. You can see it there. It looks all nice and clean. You can't even tell that that was patched up. And then that should take care of the leak. No more leaking. It'll dry nice and solid and make a good seal.
Well, this pretty much wraps up this video for today on how to fix a leaking windshield. I hope this video helped you out. Please send any questions, any comments. I would love to hear any of your feedback. I appreciate that. As always, I appreciate also all the support out there. So please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time.